Hello. Today, I would like to present you the findings of my research on the topic: surface roughness of polished translucent zirconia after immersion in different beverages and temperatures. Nowadays, zirconia restorations are becoming increasingly popular due to their strength and aesthetic. However, the conventional zirconia restoration has high opacity, which might compromise the aesthetic results. To increase light transmission, translucent zirconia was developed and has been widely used as a restoration for anterior teeth. As we know that the light transmission of the materials could be affected by roughness of the surface. The surface roughness of zirconia restoration is caused by many factors such as chemical agents, mechanical abrasion, low temperature degradation process of the zirconia. Previous studies found that surface roughness of zirconia was affected by temperatures and types of daily consumed beverages. However, previous studies were investigated on glazed surface zirconia. The polished surface zirconia has not been performed. Thus, the objectives of this study was to investigate the effect of different types and temperatures of beverages on surface roughness of polished translucent zirconia. Materials and methods. The 5YPSD translucent zirconia discs were milled into square-shaped specimens with 5-axis dental milling machine for totally 120 specimens. The specimens were polished by comic coarse and fine zirconia polishing burr with the constant load, same direction, and number of polishing strokes. The 120 polished specimens were randomly divided into 8 groups. The 4 types of beverages, including red wine, orange juice, coffee, and distilled water, were used in this study. Each beverage were tested at 2 different temperature, 5 and 25 degrees Celsius. The surface roughness of the zirconia specimen was measured by non-contact profilometer before immersion in beverages. Then, the specimens were immersed in different beverages and temperatures for 168 hours. After that, the surface roughness of the specimen was measured again. The surface roughness before and after immersion in different types of beverages and temperatures was compared to each other. The difference in surface roughness between types of beverages and temperatures was also compared. The data was then statistically analyzed. Results of the study. When comparing the surface roughness of the specimen before and after immersion, we found that the surface roughness of polished translucent zirconia was not different when immersed in different beverages for 168 hours, which was equivalent to about 6.5 years of beverage consumption in every group. Furthermore, when comparing the difference in surface roughness between groups, we found that the different types of beverages and temperatures were not different from each other. In conclusion, the surface roughness of polished translucent zirconia was not affected by cold and room temperature of daily consumed beverages. Thus, the translucency of translucent zirconia might not be altered. Researchers and research assistants in this study. We would like to thank the Research Institute of Rangsit University for funding this research. The information could be provided from following URL and phone number. Thank you for your attention on this research finding.